Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make chocolate strawberry cupcakes. They're chocolate cupcakes with a strawberry frosting and topped with the chocolate covered strawberry. So let's get started. We're adding a strawberry puree to the frosting later, but we'll make it first so that it has time to cool down. So into a food processor, add in the strawberries, make sure they're washed and hulled, and the sugar, and blend them until they're smooth. Then add it into a small saucepan, and place it over a medium-high heat and heat the mixture until it starts bubbling, stirring it occasionally. Then once it's bubbling, turn the heat down to medium-low and simmer the mixture for 20 minutes until it reduces and thickens. Again, stirring it occasionally. Then after 20 minutes, remove it from the heat and pass it through a sieve to get rid of the seeds. And set it aside for now. Then preheat the oven to 350 degrees. Then to make the chocolate cupcakes in a small bowl, add in the flour, sugar, cocoa powder, baking soda, and salt. And whisk them together until they're combined. And set it aside for now. Then in a larger bowl, add in the buttermilk, water, canola or vegetable oil, egg, and vanilla extract, and whisk them together until they're well combined. Then add in the dry ingredients and mix them in until they're just combined. Try not to overmix the batter. Then scoop the batter into a muffin pan lined with paper liners. And bake them in the oven for about 15 to 20 minutes or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. And once they're done, remove them from the oven and let them cool completely. Then to make the strawberry frosting in a medium bowl, add the softened butter and beat it with an electric mixer on high speed for 2 minutes. Then sift in half of the powdered sugar and mix it in on low speed at first. Then once it's combined, beat it on high speed for a minute. Then sift in the rest of the powdered sugar and mix it in on low speed until it's combined. By now your strawberry puree should be cooled completely, so add 2 tablespoons of it into the frosting and beat it in until it's well combined. If the frosting is still too thick, add in another tablespoon of the puree. Then finish it by hand to mix in all the ingredients. Then place the frosting into a large plastic bag. Spread the frosting down to one corner of the bag, press out the excess air and seal the bag. Then cut off a small corner of the bag. Then once the cupcakes have cooled completely, pipe the frosting on top of them. Then for the chocolate covered strawberries, chop up 2 chocolate bars. Try and chop it up as small as you can. Then to melt the chocolate, you can do it in the microwave or over a double boiler, but I'm choosing to do it in this melting pot that I have. If you're choosing to wash the strawberries, make sure you dry them really well, because if any water gets into the chocolate will seize and it will go thick and lumpy and won't be good to use. So make sure the strawberries are really dry. Then just dip the strawberries into the melted chocolate and place them onto a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Then place the strawberries into the fridge for at least 20 minutes until the chocolate is set. You can speed up that time by putting it into the freezer if you choose. Meanwhile, melt a little bit of white chocolate and place it into a small plastic bag. Spread it down to one corner, press out the excess air and seal the bag. Then cut off a very small corner of the bag and then drizzle it over the top of the strawberries and place it back into the fridge or freezer until the chocolate is set. And once the chocolate is set, add the strawberries to the top of each of the cupcakes. And that's how to make chocolate strawberry cupcakes. Check out more of my videos here and subscribe to my channel here so you don't miss out on any of my videos. I hope you enjoyed this recipe and this video. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.